Welcome to Dundon Motorsports Inside Look series. Here we take you inside the shop to give you the scoop on what's been happening behind our doors. Dundon Motorsports has a rich history of scientifically developed and extensively tested products, and that couldn't be possible without our customers. They enable our operation, and we couldn't be more thankful. Some customers have been with us from the beginning, and this is where our story takes us. The focus of this inside look is a green 997.1 GT3RS. The owner Daryl has been more than generous over the years, letting us use his vehicle for developing and testing our products. He was a very early customer, before there was a Dundon Motorsports. Give a listen to the car as it came in. Daryl has owned the car for many years and was looking to reinvigorate the car's performance to make it more relevant compared to Porsche's modern offerings. After running the numbers, he decided that a 4-liter engine build would not provide the return on investment nor the performance he was looking for. In addition, the bolt-on components we selected are completely reversible and offer peace of mind should he wish to return the car to stock down the road. Instead of the expensive 4-liter engine build, he opted to go with our Resonance Intake Manifold and a Dual Cone carbon airbox. The intake manifold is the centerpiece, and when paired with our headers, the parts complement one another, creating even larger gains. The improvement in high RPM performance is massive, so as part of the refresh, we also regeared the transmission. Closer ratios and shorter gears make for an engaging driving experience, and allows the driver to take full advantage of the top-end power. A late addition to the plan, Daryl had us install our new Ultralight Titanium Muffler. Once he discovered how much weight it saved, it was a must-have. The smooth exotic exhaust note is a nice feature too. With all of this, we brought it to our dyno to get the hard numbers. Keep in mind, this is a stock 3.6-liter engine with our D4 power package, consisting of the carbon airbox, resonance intake manifold, 93mm throttle body, race headers, and the titanium ultralight muffler. All of these are bolt-on parts. Here are the results. You'll see the lower curve is the car in stock trim, and the upper curve is with the D4 package. The graph on the right is horsepower, and the graph on the left is torque. Looking at the graph on the right, at 8,000 RPM, we can see huge gains, a near 75 horsepower increase. If we look at the curve on the left, we see an increase of 42 foot-pounds of torque at 7,000 RPM. But enough talk. Just listen to the change for yourself. Daryl's Green Beast is now a much more formidable weapon when compared to the newer, heavier platforms. The increased engine performance with the crispy gear ratios make the car truly special to drive. That's the Dundon difference. Thanks for watching the Inside Look. Let us know what you think in the comments and throw us a like and a subscribe if you want to see more.